Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva in just 3 minutes. So let's start. The first thing we have to do is open up a blank poster design in Canva, and then we're going to go to uploads and insert an image, whatever the image you want to use. Then we're going to go to BG remover and remove its background. Put it into the middle in the center of your poster design, and then what we're going to do is increase its size a bit. And after aligning it carefully, what we're gonna do is crop it, and then we're gonna go to the text portion right here onto the left side. Click on it and click on add a heading, and we're gonna insert our heading, the text, whatever the text you want to use. I'm gonna go with headphones. The font I'm gonna use is Anton font. Also, we're just gonna make sure that it is very bold, and we're gonna go to text spacing, give it left alignment, then go to line spacing and decrease the line spacing size. Put it in the middle and the center, go to layer and send it to the back. Next, what we're gonna do is just change the font's color, and then what we're gonna do is go for a number of combinations. Now let's change the background color as well. We're gonna go with a number of combinations for this as well. Let's just check out many colors that we have here to check what suits best with our poster design. So yeah, this one looks perfect. Then what we're gonna do is go to edit, click on this, and we're gonna go to shadows and give it the glow shadow. Again, we're gonna increase the size a bit to adjust it. Now we're gonna insert another new heading for the content text, and we're gonna give it left alignment again and decrease the size and put it right on top right corner. The next thing we have to do is just duplicate the text box using Ctrl+D key, and we're gonna just type in new text, and we're gonna put it right here just below the poster. Then what we're gonna do is just add a newer heading, and we're just gonna type in the price of this headphone. Make sure that you use the right price as well and the right font for this. So I'm gonna go with the main font, that is Anton, or maybe I will just go with the regular font that I was using before. So yeah, after putting it right here, we're gonna go with the size. We're just gonna change the size. Here we go. Then we're gonna insert another heading, and what we're gonna do is add the text style in it, and we're gonna just rotate it like this to the right side, and make sure that you change its font as well. So I'm gonna go with oval font and increase its size, go to layers and then send it to the back. When you're sending it to the back, make sure that you're giving it the effects of hollow and decrease its thickness. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.